In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to automatically trade a Bollinger Bands entry signal and a filter for the MACD oscillator in MetaTrader 5. Both indicators are very popular and can be combined to create buy and sell signals that can automatically be traded with this standalone expert advisor. So let's see how to do that in MQL5. Please open the Meta editor. We start by creating a new expert advisor by clicking on File, New, Expert Advisor from Template. Let's continue with the include function to include the file trade.mqh which comes with MQL5. It provides simplified trading functions and we create an instance of the class ctrade so we can use them. Afterwards we include two files for the entry and the filter signal. The first one is for the Bollinger Bands and it will give us a trading signal. The second one is for the MACD and it will give us a filter signal. Both files have been coded before as separate modules, so they can also be used for other expert advisors. If you want to save time and effort, you can go to mql5tutorial.com where you can find the premium course and a lot of pre-coded source code files in the store. In the next step we need to calculate the ask price and the bid price. That can be done by using the function symbol info double for the current symbol on the chart. We use symbol ask to calculate the ask price and symbol bid to calculate the bid price. With normalized double and underscore digits we can calculate the number of digits behind the dot. Depending on the currency pair, that might be 3 or 5 digits. With NQL rates we create an array for prices called price info. Inside of the onTick function we use array set as series to sort our price array from the current candle downwards. Then we can use copy rates to fill our price array with data. We do that for the current symbol and the currently selected period on our chart, starting from candle 0 for 3 candles and store the result in our price info array. Now let's calculate the current price by looking at the close price of candle 0 in our price info array. We create a string variable for the trading signal and call the function checkEntry_Bollinger to check for a buy or sell signal. And we do the same thing for a string variable called filter and call the function checkEntry_MACD to get the filter signal. If the trading signal and the filter both return a buy signal and we have no open positions, we want to use trade.buy to buy 10 micro lots. In the other case, if the trading signal and the filter both return a sell signal, we use trade.sell to sell 10 micro lots. Finally, we use the comment statement to output the trading signal and the filter on our chart. Press F7 to compile the code. If that works without any errors, you can return to MetaTrader by pressing the F4 key. Okay, if everything went well, you should now have a working standalone expert advisor for the Bollinger Bands signal and the MACD filter. You can run a strategy test like this one by pressing Ctrl and R in MetaTrader 5. If you want to improve your trading results, you can find the premium course and more source codes on mql5tutorial.com and in our shop. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.